Best word removal product. It does not matter if you take good care of yourself, you still can end up with words that will make you feel self conscious. Do not ever try to remove a word yourself by cutting, tearing, burning, or by any other method. There are over the counter medicines available to remove words quickly, but I do not recommend using over the counter medicines on your genitals. If you suffer from genital warts, then go visit a doctor immediately. However, I will help you choose the best wart removal product to get rid of common warts, plantar warts, and flat warts quickly. I strongly believe my recommended wart remover will help you get relief from this troublesome problem as quickly as possible. Before we choose the best wart removal product, it would be better to know the wart removal methods first. When you have a wart and you want it to remove quickly, the first thing comes to the mind is salicylic acid. But the question is, does it work? Let me tell you one thing. This is one of the best wart removal method and very popular too. Salicylic acid works by softening the dead skin cells of a wart and dissolves them quickly. Freezing. Now you need not visit a doctor for a wart treatment. What the doctors do? They freeze your wart using liquid nitrogen. But the good news is, over the counter medicines are available for this. And in as little as 10 to 15 days, you can expect your wart to drop off. Before using it, read the instructions on the label carefully when you are treating your wart at home. If you are looking for a natural remedy to eliminate a wart, then there are many such remedies available. You can apply apple cider vinegar on a wart, or you can try out duct tape wart removal. These two natural remedies are very popular and most tend to use these frequently. However, there are many vegetables and fruits remedies which you can try also, like applying carrot paste on a wart, rubbing potato slice on a wart, applying garlic slice, etc. Using banana peel on a wart and wrapping it with a band-aid is very effective too. Apart from vegetables and fruits, there are some natural oils you can try to remove wart quickly. Clove oil, castor oil, and oil of oregano are very popular and one of the best wart removal method. However, if you are suffering from recurring wart problem and having stubborn warts, then I highly recommend using homeopathic wart remedies that are made with natural ingredients. This type of wart removal medicine does not need any prescription and works for almost all types of warts like common warts, plantar warts, flat warts. And my extensive research on homeopathic wart removal suggests that Vertrol is the best wart removal product. Vertrol works on the scientific concept of keratolysis. With this process, the toughened layers of the skin gets weakened by continuous thinning process. Vertrol is very easy to use, safe, and uses a unique blend of FDA approved ingredients and natural oils. Vertrol is so effective, a few drops of it penetrates the wart quickly and start to drop off the wart right away. This is according to my research along with verified customer testimonials is the best wart removal product which is painless and perfect home remedy. And above all, it works. If you are still hesitant to use it, I suggest you to try it out first with a free trial offer. And I am offering 2 bonus guides if you order your free bottle now. Inside one of the guide, you will find one secret method to remove words fast that you never heard before. So you need to complete 3 simple steps to get these bonuses right away. First, subscribe to my channel, then sign up for the bonus guides, and then order your free trial offer and send me your confirmation. After you sign up for the bonus guides, you will be redirected to the official website of Vertrol, and there you need to order your free bottle offer and send me your confirmation in a reply email. I'll see you inside. Speak to you soon.